Welcome to GearUpWindows.com. In this video, you will learn how to disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the most popular browser worldwide and has several features, including hardware acceleration. This takes advantage of your computer's GPU, graphics hardware, to speed up processes and free vital CPU time. This improves the overall user experience while surfing the internet. However, depending on your device configuration, the hardware acceleration feature of Chrome may negatively affect your experience by preventing visual elements from displaying correctly on the screen. If you are experiencing issues, such as missing menus or dialog boxes, we recommend you disable the hardware acceleration feature and see if this helps you. In this GearUpWindows article, you will learn to enable and disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. You can use the Chrome settings or tweak Registry Editor to perform this task. How to turn off or on hardware acceleration in Chrome settings. To disable hardware acceleration in the Chrome browser, use these steps. Step 1. First, open the Chrome browser on your Windows 11 or 10 machine. Step 2. Then, click on the horizontal ellipsis menu button in the top right corner of Chrome and select the Settings option in the drop-down menu. Step 3. When the Chrome settings page appears on the screen, select the System tab in the left side menus. Step 4. On the right side pane, under the System section, turn off or on the Use Hardware Acceleration when available toggle switch. Step 5. Finally, click the Relaunch button that appears before the toggle switch. How to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Chrome using Registry Editor. If you use Windows 11 or 10, you can also use the Registry Editor to turn on or off hardware acceleration in Chrome browser. Here are the steps. Step 1. First, open Registry Editor. To do that, press Windows plus R keys on the keyboard to open Run box. Then type regedit and press Enter key or OK button. Step 2. Next, browse to the following key in the left sidebar of Registry Editor. computer_local_machine/software/policies. For quick access, copy and paste the above path in Registry Editor address bar. Step 3. Then, right-click on the Policies key and select New key. Step 4. Name the newly created key as Google. Step 5. Now, right-click on the Google key and select New key in the context menu. Step 6. Name this key as Chrome. Step 7. After that, right-click on the Chrome key and select New DWORD, 32-bit, value. Step 8. Set the name to Hardware Acceleration Mode Enabled. Step 9. Now, double-click on the Hardware Acceleration Mode Enabled DWORD and set its value data to the following. 0 equals to disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. 1 equals to enable hardware acceleration in Chrome. Step 10. Next, click the OK button. Step 11. Finally, reboot your PC to apply the changes.